Welcome to. Oh, cooking gentleman. Hey, I got my grandson here. Hey, it's Father's Day. Hey, I got my son here, my grandson here. So I'm gonna teach kids how to cook. Now, I know kids like simple things. They like junk food, so it's gonna be kind of junk food, but it's a good basic way to get them started. So let me show you how you get them started. You ready to do this?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's do this here. Now, come here. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Now, I'm gonna do some chicken tenders. Something simple for kids. Now, all you're gonna need right here. Now you're gonna need your onion powder, your black pepper, your Tony's, and I got my garlic powder. I'm gonna put some fries. We're gonna use a wet batter, so we're gonna use some eggs, flour, and beer. I'm making a beer batter. You don't drink, do you?
No.
Okay, well, you're gonna drink today. Okay, and we're gonna have milk. And we're gonna some grease and fried in. Man. Hey, I'm gonna show you how to do this here. So you can learn and they can teach their kids how to do it, right?
Yeah, right.
Hey, let's get out here. Do this here. All righty, welcome back to the Cooking Channel. All right, you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Oh boy, I'll let you do it on your own. Okay, grab your Tony's. Shake, and I'll tell you. All right, keep going. You're doing good. All right, stop. All right, now grab your garlic powder. Shake lightly. There we go. Keep on going. All righty, stop. Now grab your onion powder. There you go. Just going. All right, stop. Grab your black pepper. Going. All right, stop. Now pour some milk. All right, stop. Now, hardest part, now grab your egg and crack it and put the egg in there. You didn't prepare for that, did you? There you go. Oh, you didn't even get a shell in there. Oh, but hey, my grandson, ask somebody. Welcome back. Oh, man, you got it going? Oh, hey, grandson, let me ask you something. Let me see, you get that right. Now, I got to do something. Let me ask you a question. You know the most important thing in life?
Money.
Yeah, but what else?
A woman?
No. Let me show you. Get on this side. Let me show you the most important thing. You see? A bill. See, you're making a bill batter. So, bill gonna be your most important thing right now.
Mm-hmm.
That's the most important thing you can do. See there? I mean, I'm teaching you right. See, you want to drink when you get older?
Yeah.
Oh. Boy, hey. Can you do this? Ask somebody. All right, you right there. Okay, there we go. Now you see how I mix that batter with that beer batter?
Yeah.
Now you want to get your grease hot. Now, see, take them out. And when you pull them out, like that there. See, I'm using my regular hand, but I always wash my hand. You see me washing?
Yeah, I seen you washing.
There you go. See there? Put them in there like that. Lay them in there. Then you got to be careful because you don't want to get grease too hot. You don't want to start splashing everywhere. Mm-hmm. So you got to get the perfect temperature, just like that. And you don't want to overcrowd the skillet either.
Oh, yeah.
Because you overcrowd the skillet, they start sticking together and all that stuff. So we're just going to do 4. All right?
All right.
Now come back and I'll show you how they look. Ask somebody. Can you say ask somebody?
Ask somebody.
That's what I'm talking about.
Grandpa, come look.
Oh, man. Woo. Now, that's what I'm talking about. You got that just right. Crispy fries, tenders right. That's what I'm talking about right there. Now, one more thing I need to teach you. Because you're my grandson. Check it out. You gotta learn how to do that.
Done.
You better ask somebody.